Hi friends, welcome back to Life at Hacks. Today we are fixing something most people never check, your Google Play Store settings. Did you know your phone could be tracking what you do, which app you use, and even how often you use them? Creepy, right? But don't worry, I will show you step by step how to stop it, speed up your phone, and even save battery life. Step 1. Disable sneaky tracking in Play Protect. First, grab your phone and open the Google Play Store. Look at the top right hand corner and tap your profile picture. Now scroll down to Play Protect. See the gear icon at the top right and tap it. Here you will see two options. Scan apps with Play Protect. Keep this on. It protects you from harmful apps. Improve harmful app detection. Turn this off. This one secretly sends your app usage data. Step 2. Update and turn off app install optimization. Go back to your Play Store home screen and tap your profile picture again. Choose Settings, About, Update Play Store. Make sure it's up to date. Now scroll up to General, App Install Optimization. Turn this off too. Why? Because it sends data about how you can use apps and drain battery in the background. Step 3. Fix battery settings for apps. Next, open the Play Store again. Tap your profile and go to Help and Feedback. In the search box, type Delete. Open the article Delete apps on your Android device and tap the blue link that says Go to Application Settings. Now you will see all your apps. Pick one, scroll to Battery. If it's say Unrestricted, change it to Optimize, apps that don't need full power all the time. This can seriously improve your battery life. Step 4. Turn off Usage and Diagnostics. Now head to your main settings. Go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down, go to More Privacy Settings. Scroll down and select Usage and Diagnostic. If it's on, switch it off. This stops your phone from constantly sending report about what you do. And that's it. With just few changes, you have boosted your privacy, saved battery, and made your phone faster. Remember, your phone should work for you, not spy on you. If this video helped you, keep that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Life at Hacks for more smartphone tips. Stay safe, stay smart, and I will see you in the next one.